Alright guys, this is Dwipen and let's see this one Nifty and daily chart, and today they form a bullish confirmation pattern. So let me show you exactly what is the meaning of that. So here let me zoom little bit. Yeah, now I can see first yesterday, like not yesterday, actually this one last Friday, and then they form a bullish pin bar after giving a pullback. So today they form a bullish confirmation. So basically when they form a pin bar, when they followed by a bullish candle after giving a little bit correction, so it is called bullish confirmation pattern. So basically we are looking for buy after breaking this candle. So this is basically we calculate these two candle 1, candle 2, and we are looking for buy after breaking this candle. So similarly here you can see somewhere there we are looking for buy. So let me draw a resistance line first. Just a minute. I would like to connect most recent point, which is called a rejection point. So here let me draw. So I'm gonna connect this swing point, and okay, let me show you. So first we have seen price pullback and bounce from this level, so it's called rejection point, and similarly price open exactly near this level and again pullback, and again price goes and reject from this area. Now we have seen this is the bullish confirmation candle they are forming, means we are looking for buy after breaking this level of 15,900. Okay, so once price break this resistance line, definitely we'll deploy some option strategy where target will be around 16,800. That will be swing trading. Okay, so if you are an intraday trader, you just find out some support and a resistance line. So first we drawn a resistance line which is called near rejection point. This is called near rejection point. So means right now we have seen price are somewhere here. What is the rejection point nearest? I'm not talking about current and the recent, both are different thing. Current means here, currently price reject from area, and the current from here also, and even this line called recent, nearest. Okay, this called nearest. So here is the price, and nearest, where is the resistance line or rejection point? This one, and this one. So means we are looking for buy after breaking this level of 15,900. Let's see in a small time frame. This one H1. Let me zoom in, zoom out. Okay, now we have seen some important price action methods. So here I can say price goes up, pull back, price goes up, and a pullback. So this is the large time frame, or you can see like a large duration. In a small duration we have seen price pullback, goes up, fail, pullback, goes up, fail to break this higher point, and the pullback, and finally price broke this resistance line. Have you seen? This is called diagonal resistance line and close. So if price break this level, this resistance line, so definitely we will go for buy. Or if price gap down tomorrow and if from any bullish signal, so we are expecting that price will create a new lower low. So this is the called pattern. So this is called pattern. So this like this pattern. Okay, so our next target will be around 15,400. Okay, so they are this descending pattern they are forming. Okay, so right now price are somewhere there. If price open, gap down and continue toward the downside, so next the target will be around 15,400. So let's see the pattern. It's called like that. Okay, this is the pattern. actual pattern. Now what is our entry and exit point? Let's see here. So if they form any bearish candle below this 15,800 somewhere there, so we are looking for short. What type of trader? Like you are a put buyer, call buyer, so definitely will buy a put. Okay, if you are a seller, so just go for call seller below 15,800. Or if price break this level, we'll go for buy. If you are a call buyer, go to above 15,900. And if you are a seller, so just go for a put seller, so it's just targeting to this level. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving your valuable time.